Hello friends and students. It has been so long time that I haven't uploaded any videos in this YouTube channel. That is because of my some personal problem. And I'm making this video to inform all the subscribers and viewers of this channel that I have made one new YouTube channel in which I upload at least a video daily, experimental videos, so that I request to all the subscribers and viewers of this channel to follow my new YouTube channel. And from that YouTube channel, by subscribing that YouTube channel, you will get access to many experimental videos from which you can be able to learn so many physics principles, or you can in these videos I have done the experiment by using simple household materials. You can do these experiments at your home as well, and you will be able to learn so many things. That's why I have given the link of my new channel in the description box, and I again request to all the subscriber of this channel to please go to the link or follow the link given in the description box and subscribe that channel. And by doing that you will be able to view my experimental videos. And from here I promise to all the subscribers that I will upload many experimental videos in that channel, and I'll give many information as much as I can by uploading many interesting experimental videos. So please follow the link and subscribe to the video, subscribe to the channel. Thank you.